Hey, good evening, traders. Peter Wright with IconicDayTrading.com. Just want to do a little update with my day trading, mentoring, and chat room. Let you know a little bit more about us. Let you know some of the trades we've been taking. Even though it is summertime, trades are not as easy to find as they usually are. But it's the summer, and we're still able to nail some points, and things are doing pretty good. So here's my website. It's iconicdaytrading.com. You see I have a testimonial page, trade reviews with a couple videos. Contact us. Testimonial page pretty much speaks for itself. What I do, I am a full-time trader. I trade by nature, and I decided that I wanted to start a chat room that actually teaches how to trade properly. All of my traders that are accepted into the room have audio capabilities. They all have microphones. We all speak to each other throughout the trading day. They all have my cell phone. We do live after hour trade reviews, one-on-one. So basically my job is to make sure that my members are successful in learning how to trade the right way. There's a lot of other companies, a lot of people promising you the world, and after they get your money, they're not giving you the results that I'm going to give you. So take your time, go to iconicdaytrading.com, look at the testimonials, look at my Twitter page. There's two. One is Iconic Trading at Iconic Trading. That's just my iconicdaytrading.com one. And then there's also at PJ Rate, which is my personal. I'm in the process of merging them, but for now they are separate. Tells you what I do offer for the $1.99 per month. Most importantly, you will see one-on-one live chart reviews after hours. I work on weekends with my members. It's all done one-on-one after hours, and you are actually taught proper entries, proper exits, why you're getting into a trade and why you're getting out of a trade. My methods are very simple to learn. I keep my stops extremely tight, and when I have my winners, they're usually 2 and 3 point winners with a 20 to 30%, a 20 to 30 cent stop. Here's just one. A plus trading guided by a real trader. This is not the smoke and mirrors of other rooms. Thank you, Peter. Just this last week alone, I've had 4 traders just totally make a total mindset shift, a fundamental change in their mindset. And they just got it. It's like, holy cow, I've been doing this for years, losing money. And here it is, 2 weeks into my new room, I'm getting traders that actually are getting it and understanding it. So to me, it's very, very exciting. And I'm just looking forward to working with more and more traders. So that's it about Iconic. Please go check out my website. It'll tell you everything that you need to know about me and what I am trying to accomplish. So I'm going to go over a couple different charts. This one was from today, MCRB, IPO yesterday or day before. Thing was a rocket on its initial public offering. It was just a fantastic. They ramped it all the way up to $50 into the close. So I was able to get some shorts through my broker today, anticipating some more pullback. I see a gap down. I got caught up here, which I had to do some trade management to get myself out at a minimal loss. But you can see it starting to set up. You have this trend line right here that acted as support. As soon as it broke, you got the moving average cross. As soon as it broke, I tried to get short at the 40s. It was under SSR, so it was really difficult to get this thing short. But I finally nailed it. I nailed it down here. Should have nailed it up here. I tried, just couldn't get the fill with the SSR, and I almost got about a full point and a quarter out of this trade. Beautiful, simple trade. Beautiful, simple trade. If I nailed it from here, it would have been a 3-point trade. Easy. It was just a perfect setup where you anticipate what's going to happen. Next trade that I have, I want to go over with you is BABA. BABA. This is from one of our Iconic Circle members. Brought this chart to my attention. and the trade that he took, he had a nice opening gap down. You have this area right here that acted as support. You got the moving average cross. As soon as that moving average cross comes with the opening volume, perfect short, comes down, you got the bottoming tail, you cover into that. Comes back up, breaks through VWAP, tested 20 period moving average, rejects it, holding on to VWAP right here, never gets past this high right here. So you go short. You use this as your stop. You enter the short. You got the moving average cross. You got a break. Came back up and retested the 9 period moving average and a perfect fade. Okay, this is the 2 minute. This is the 5 minute. Even if you want to take this trade on a conservative nature, you take your trend line, draw a trend line from here right to there. As soon as it breaks to 83.75, you got this thing short. And at the time of this picture, it was a 50-cent trade. Painless trade. Very low risk. Your risk was the break of the 9 period moving average. You can see the trend line. You can see the support. As soon as that breaks, you're short. It was a beautiful call and a beautiful setup. So next up, we are going to do ZU. Another beautiful setup. Opening fade. Came back up, tested VWAP, and it failed. So if you didn't catch this short up here, okay, it came down. It tried to break VWAP. It did not break VWAP. Okay, it resisted it. So you go short. Okay, and you're using the break of the VWAP as your stop. Nice little fade. Okay, then you got a little, almost an elephant bar right next to it. It came up. It breached the 9 period moving average. So that would have been my stop off of this initial entry. I would have just banked my profits. And then right here, it tried to break through the 20 and it got rejected. Right here, it broke through the 9 period, and that's a signal, again, weakness. You go in short. Short it right here, 13.65, and you just ride it all the way down. And you can see it never once broke the 9 period moving average. Just a beautiful short, cover, short, fade. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive on this trade, for some of my more aggressive traders, you just short it here and use this as your stop. You use this as your add and just let it ride all the way down. So another nice trade in the slow summertime. Two more I want to cover. Netflix. This was a couple days ago. I called this around, I don't even know, like around 2 o'clock. I just had a feeling that this was down like 22 points on a day, that this was going to make a run into the close. So I called it long on a break of 656, I believe it was. And that was all based on this candle with this volume, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and a breakout off of this consolidation. Okay, it's actually 658 is where I called it. Okay, you get long 658, you ride it all the way up to the top. I would have got stopped out right here when it broke this 9 period moving average around 662. That's a nice 4-point trade. It rode the 9 period moving average all the way up to the top. What was your risk? Your risk was 1 point with the break of the 9 period moving average. It was just a beautiful trade. It had momentum behind it. The move was overdone. You just have to anticipate some kind of retracement of being down 22 points on the stock that has a cult following like Netflix. Beautiful 4-point trade. Last one we're going to do, because I'm running out of time here, is Monsanto. This is a 5-minute chart of Monsanto. Again, the ideal entry would have been right here. You can see this little pennant, okay? Bear flag, whatever you want to call it. 110.50 is the area, okay? Or 110.75 probably was. You can draw a line across this area right here. You got the moving average cross. As soon as the moving average crosses and it breaks the support, you're full in short. So let's say you went in short, 110.50 break, ride it all the way down. And at the time I took this picture, it was 107.75. It's almost an easy 3-point trade without any green candles. Didn't come close to the 9 period moving average. Just a simple fade all the way down. And that's what I try to give my traders. Trending stocks, we don't trade overcrowded stocks. We don't look for 20, 30-cent gains. We look for points with 20 and 30-cent stops. Sometimes it's very, very slow. Like today, we only had a couple calls, but the calls that we took, we made points. It was great. So that's pretty much Iconic Day Trading in a nutshell. I am teaching my traders how to trade. They're learning a lot about themselves and what they need to overcome, what's holding them back. Because after you spend about 5 or 6 months trading and you're still not profitable, but you have a good methodology, there are other factors that you need to look at. And trading psychology is one of them. I'm very big in that. I am working with my traders right now in my room on some of these, and that's where the breakthroughs are happening. So that being said, thanks for watching the video. We'll do some more chart reviews in a couple days. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me or email me, peter@iconicdaytrading.com, or just reach out to me through my contact page. But please check out my Twitter feed, check out the reviews. The reviews are real. Real trader, making real trades, live screen share, live audio, fully transparent, no BS. I'm the only one out there, as far as I know, that is offering this to anybody who's shown that they have a passion and a dedication for trading. And that's where the membership application comes in. So with the application, I do not accept every single applicant. They must show me that they have a passion and a drive and a commitment that they want to learn how to trade. So that's what Iconic is all about. It's helping the next generation of traders, helping the learning curve, hopefully saving them money by not following the little furus that we have out there right now. Follow the real traders, guys. Real traders, real trades, real money. On that note, have a good night, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.